Alright, so today on my home repairs, enough is enough. I gotta stop this water from leaking. It's about a bucket a night, and just getting sick of dealing with it. And it's just wetting up everything. So let's get this fixed. So this is the part that I believe to be the culprit for the cause of this leak. It's just a little relief valve, thermal relief valve. So the first thing I gotta do is turn this water off. Anytime you deal with an infrequently operated valve, it's a good idea to lubricate it. Alright, so I got the temperature turned counterclockwise, basically to vacation, lower setting. Then the next thing you're supposed to do is turn the gas cock knob clockwise to turn off to off position. So here we go. That's off position. Next thing I gotta do is break the connection here and here to get this valve out of here. So we're gonna break this next. Go. No good. I mean, really, at this point, you can thread it off by hand. Still a little warm, that's for sure. What you gotta be careful of is I don't want an uncontrolled release of hot water just running out on me. Alright, because I don't really know a better way to do this, I'm going to try to take this valve out and attempt to catch the water with some towels in the bucket. A lot more than I thought. Way more than I thought, actually. For real. Yeah, way more than I thought. Alright, let's see how much we get. Oh yeah, we're getting a lot. Yeah. Basically, it's this upper portion of the tank that's trying to drain out. Alright, so for a seal, I'm using Mega Tape, and as always, I wrap it in the direction of tightening, like this. Mega Tape works similar to the thread sealants. Just that because everything is wet, I'm going to just use tape instead of thread sealant, just to make sure I don't have a leak. So I got a wrap with some mega tape and about to try to tighten it in. So I unfortunately could not show you taking this valve out because I needed my hands free. What I was able to do is pull this out while the water was still gushing, pull the oven out rather, while the water was still gushing. I was able to get this one started and start the threads into it. And I see that the valve that I bought has a slightly longer neck than the valve that I replaced, but that doesn't really matter. It's just gonna stick out more, but at this point I don't care because it's changed. So all I gotta do is run this around maybe 1 or 2 more times and tighten it up. What you don't want to do is over tighten it. Maybe I can get one more revolution on it. This will be it. That's it. No need to over tighten it. So all I gotta do now is check for leaks and we should be good to go.